Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Bob Woolverton. I'm with Pure Real Estate in Bellevue, Washington. Here on YouTube, I'm known as your Northwest Realty Advisor. This channel has two purposes. The first purpose is to give you information about the inner workings of buying, selling, or investing in real estate so that you can understand the mechanics and the contract language and how they impact you. The second purpose is to give you factual information about the real estate market that comes from some of the leading experts in the industry. You see, I view my role as a real estate agent differently than most other agents do. I consider myself a curator of information, not a salesman. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I view my job as providing you with expert information that is meaningful and relevant to you. Whether that's what's going on in the real estate market or explaining things like escalator clauses, dual agency, or how to analyze if an income property is a good investment. In many of these videos on this channel, I take you right into the contracts and explain the impacts of what you're signing. You'll see examples where I underline or circle parts of the contract that are important for you to understand before you sign on the dotted line. In other cases, I take you right into the Excel spreadsheets and show you how to analyze an investment property and calculate the return on your investment, and then decide, does it have the investment potential that you want? I even have videos that you can use as interview questions when you're looking to hire a real estate agent. Don't settle for the usual hype that many agents will give you. Oh, I can sell your home faster and for way more money than anyone else. And don't settle for the agent who promises a really high sales price that just seems too good to be true. Because you know what they say, if it seems too good to be true, well, you know the rest. Instead, interview agents and use some of my questions like, how does a buyer recover their earnest money if their financing fails? And what's the first thing you'll be looking for when you get the preliminary commitment for title? And you know, we're planning to liquidate some employee stock options for our down payment. Do we need to disclose that information in our offer? You can find the detailed answers to these questions in my video series called Are You Smarter Than a Real Estate Agent that I posted in December of 2020. Good real estate agents will know the answers to those questions, and if you watch my videos, you will too. You will be that well-informed real estate client that understands the financial risk involved in buying and selling real estate. I have over 150 videos on this channel covering topics like dual agency and why you should stay away from dual agency, and escalator clauses. You'll see how an escalator clause is written into a contract and how an escalator clause works in real life. I have 2 videos on automated valuation models like Zillow's Zestimate, RealList, and Redfin. After watching those videos, you'll understand how they work and what those estimated values mean to you. You know, when people ask me what I do for a living, I tell them, I help people sleep at night because my clients can sleep in comfort knowing some of their largest assets are in knowledgeable and competent hands. I post new videos on this channel every week. You're bound to find some golden nuggets of information here that will help you be a better informed buyer, seller, or investor in the real estate market. Because that's my job as a curator of information, to give you information and advice that's going to eliminate the greatest amount of stress in your life and prevent you from needlessly losing money in a real estate transaction. I'm Bob Woolverton. I'm with Pure Real Estate in Bellevue, Washington. I hope you enjoy this channel, and I hope as you learn more about the internal mechanics of buying, selling, and investing in real estate, that you begin to sleep better at night, because that's what my clients do.